Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Please do support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell. In this video, I will show you my solution about the excess paint on your palette. After painting, we can't avoid to have an excess paint on our palette. So to avoid from throwing your excess paint away, my solution is to use it to paint on small boxes on my sketchbook. In this way, you can use the small amount of paints that were left on your palette. Always remember that acrylic paints will dry quickly. You can add water to mix with paint to cover the paper. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye!